Monday and you tell them what you saw, they're not going to believe it. Grain truck races, only the 30th annual Lynn Combine Demolition Derby.
But I think this is the best race of the night.
In the past, these have been known to roll over. We're not hoping for that, but I'm just saying.
As Trevor makes his way around, quarter 4 down the main stretch here. They're waiting for the green flag to fly for Mr. Dick Moore, and they got it. Here we go.